Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus name. Right, so we'll celebrate 42,000 subscribers. God bless you. Okay, so today I want to show you a very nice 36 chord voicings in the key of F major. So let's listen to this. We use this song. You play like what's it called? Can be born. Holy Ghost. Listen to this. Right? Do it again in my life. Right. So that's the part. Do it again. Right. So before I show you this, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, the link to get that is on the about page of this channel. You can see the seller. You'll see the seller link there, or you can use the Flutter with either of the two. So to get your copy, where you'll be learning a lot of stuff like this, many more stuff like this. So right. So you should get that. You won't regret doing that. So let me show you. Let me quickly show you this. So what is happening is we are doing some rooted and rootless voicings in the key of F. So we are doing that on 3 and 6. So when we're on 3, we add a root because there was the root. A is the root for 3, so we have A, E, G as the root there. So the right hand did a 5, 6 to flat 7 melody line. Then I played a C minor. So right. Then I did a rootless 6 chord. Right. So which has a tritone F sharp and C tritone on the left. Then on the right we have a F, B flat, and then we have a D. So then I went to 2. If you don't know this type of chord voicing, that's more reason why you should get my intermediate piano course. If you get it, you have a lot to learn. Yeah, so just get it to just learn the right way. Right. So you hear a lot of stuff like this from great guys. Right. Okay, so I guess I called that already. So we have a 6 chord, which is a F sharp and C on the left. On the right we have a B flat major triad. So that was it. Then I went to 2. So you should watch that again and write down the chords. Let me share this 5 chord with you. On the left I have a 5. I have a 5, which is a C. I have a G on the left. I have a B flat on the left. Then on the right I have a E major 7. Sorry, this is E augmented major 7. Yeah, this is E augmented major 7. If you don't know that also, you should get my intermediate piano course. You're going to learn all that in the course and the applications, just like I'm showing you one here. Right, so it goes like this again. Holy Ghost, then you do. Right, so without the string. Drop 2 because I've taught that before on this channel. Do it again. So let me know in the comment section which one you prefer. Was it the one with the strings or the one without the strings? And also let me know which country where you're watching from also. So don't forget to get the intermediate piano course. God bless you. Bye.